Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to try on this beautiful braided afro wig in color 1, color black, and then the highlight is in color 27. So if you love this wig, if you love this style, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below so you can contact me and I'll send it to you. I have this style in different colors. I'll just put a link for my website so that you can see the different colors, okay? And I ship worldwide. So I always advise when you wear this braided wig, make sure you just do the cornrows inside and make sure they're at least smaller to make the wig lie flat on your forehead or to make the wig also fit well. So after you wear it, just arrange the braids on your forehead. So guys, I make this with different sizes: small, medium, and large. My head is medium, which is the size for most of my clients. So guys, that was it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you love this style, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.